We haven't been to this particular beach for over a year since our dog Rosey passed away. I wasn't quite sure how I would feel coming back, but as you can see, Cooper was really happy to be back. This was our main beach to come to. You would never know this is a dog that had back surgery in like under a year. Next month will be a year, September 11th, and he is some happy. Oh my goodness, Cooper. Come this way. Come on, over here, Coop. Come this way. Come here. Good boy. Is that nice? Yes. Does that feel good? Yes, baby boy. Come on, Cooper. Yeah, that feel good. Yeah, the water nice and warm, Cooper. Wanna come this way, Coop? So this is our first trip to this beach in a year and a month, because it was a year and a month ago that I was last here with our dog Rosey, and she passed in end of July, and this is August, and then Cooper had his disc rupture in September. We went to a different beach last August with him, so this is his first time here since Rosey's passing and since his back surgery, and he's really happy, and I'm really happy. Bittersweet missing our Rosey May, but the water is beautiful. It's a lovely day, and I have a happy dog, and that's all that matters. That feel nice? Cooper, relax! Well, my goodness, I had to stop filming because Cooper has decided to allow it in the ocean, and so he's been going after them, which means I've been going after him because he still has to take it easy. Oh my word. Yes! So we're gonna head back because we actually came a little bit of a distance and the tide's coming in. And that's a lot for this little guy. I'm so proud of him. He's so happy. Isn't that nice? Yes. Come here. Oh my gosh. You get him, Cooper? Good boy. Come on. Come on back. Come this way. Good boy. My goodness, you're getting your exercise. Hello, baby. Good boy. Hi. Thanks. Let's go home. Good boy. Come this way. Coopy. Cooper. I'm so glad that I took the time to go to the beach with my little Muppet today. I have a to-do list a mile long, and don't we all? And the days go by so fast, and summer goes by so fast. And I am so happy that I am living that serene lifestyle that I feel is so important, and that I'm taking time to enjoy each passing moment. And it was a perfect day, and also a perfect reminder that joy will find its way back in, because honestly I wasn't sure how I would feel coming back to this particular beach without Rosey, but I knew that Cooper loved it there, and I do too. I don't even think it's a 10-minute drive from our house. So while there are other beaches that we can go to and the river behind our house for a swim, this place is special. So I would say that was a very successful trip to the beach. Cooper, look, there's the cows. And it was very funny to see Cooper go after those seagulls, because as far as he was concerned, those seagulls were not allowed on the beach or in the water. So he tore after them clear across the beach, and the ocean didn't slow him down one bit. So he is going to sleep really, really well. And the water was really, really warm. It was gorgeous. So hopefully we can have a few more days like that before the snow flies and I can actually go for a swim. Didn't have enough. Well, it wasn't that I didn't have enough time. I just wanted to get down there with him, so I didn't grab my bathing suit because I had errands to do this morning. So I literally just got home, dropped off groceries, put my shorts on, and grabbed the dog, and off we went. So I would love to go for another swim with him soon. So that's my day, and I hope you guys had a wonderful day too. And remember, life is short, so make the most of that dash in between. I'll see you next time.